You don't have to be congested if you have these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Nasal inhalers. They're not new. There's a bunch of brands out there. This one is by Youra, not Europe. And it says inhale the goodness. I thought I would just try these out because these have worked for me in the past. Now, some of these have some medication in them, but generally, a lot of them have essential oils and eucalyptus and menthol and things like that. It says it does a lot of things here. Energy enhancer, mood enhancer, but I don't know if it'll do any of that. But I will tell you that what I have liked about these is that they do clear you up. And especially if you deal with a lot of allergies and sometimes want to avoid taking medication, a little boost of this can kind of clear up those passages. You can breathe a little easier, run a little better, be a little more active, work a little harder. And what I've noticed here is that we've got this green, purple, and blue one. And this one says relax. This one says love. And the green one says happy. Now, I want to be as happy as possible. So what I'm going to do here is open this one up. See, it's just a little applicator tube. And what I also will say is that if you have liver or heart conditions, you should probably talk to a medical professional before using these. I think there are some possible side effects that you want to avoid. Secondly, I think the strategy on this is you give it a little shake before you open it up. And then what you do is you just breathe deep for 2 seconds in each nostril. And this one is the happy one, and I feel so happy now. Oh, it's a good thing I didn't snort the love one, because then I would be pretty amorous. So, I've just got the happy one here. But I tell you what, it gives you a little bit of a hit. I feel like it's kind of like sniffing a peppermint or an Altoid. They do open you up a little bit. Now, I also want to say that you don't want to use these too often. And as far as I can tell in a lot of reading, they say maybe 4 times a day or no more than that. But I will also say that these seem like the most mild of the nasal inhalers. So if you have tried some of these before and you just thought they've been too pungent or too spicy, kind of too dry for your nasal passages, I think that these might be worth trying out because this is much more muted. It definitely seems to be working, but it didn't have as sharp or as pungent or as punchy of an impact as some of the other inhalers. So if you want to pick up these Youra ones, I will put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.